Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe and I'm your host for today. I am holding a fragrance here from Mizensir Parfums. This is Blue Gin. I'm not going to lie, I have smelled this one before. This was introduced to me a while ago when a lovely reviewer sent me some samples of Mizensir. And this was definitely one of those that I really enjoyed. It's also one of her favorites as well. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this thing open. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to tear this outer sleeve here because I cannot get to the rest. And let's have a little look-see inside. I'm going to keep this review nice and easy to digest. This was sent to me by ICP for review. And I appreciate them sending me this because I knew this was one that I was going to want to eventually add to my list. This is Blue Gin by Mizensir. Those of you who don't already know, Mizensir is a house created by Alberto Morillas. Everybody who knows Alberto, amazing master perfumer. Oh man, this is a fresh, kind of a gin and tonic smell right there. It's boozy in a different kind of a way. But definitely something to check out for sure. And yeah, this is going to be great for the summer. It's great for spring. It's a freshie. I think you guys are going to really dig this one. So check out Blue Gin by Mizensir if you didn't already check it out. This is definitely going to be a keeper for sure. Thank you so much for tuning in. And that's it for me. Take care.